So can you explain a little bit more about Fly Motion and the types of products and services you offer?
Sure. As you see here, we've got different UAV platforms. Fly Motion is kind of a A to Z UAV or unmanned systems company that we've kind of designed to system integrate, whether they need thermal capability, IR, regular camera. A lot of companies don't necessarily understand the technology.
Right.
We can come in and consult with the company, let them know what we can do. We can train them on the system. We can help them acquire the correct system for what they want to use it for. And then if we want to take it a step further, now we've got the command and control vehicle. We can take those operations and go on the street and we can actually have a vehicle command and control from inside, pilot, radio feed, pretty much. We've got it all set
So
up.
this is the Z and the A to Z.
Yep, and we'll go take a look
Yeah,
on
let's
the
take a
inside.
look.
We have two monitors inside. We have a multi-viewer set up here with the Extron to be able to split any of the monitors here, whether you want to use full size or if you want to bring them and break it down into 4 different monitors, all different various feeds from either outside or bonded cellular. We can take the signal from inside the truck and send it pretty much anywhere in the world with a secure IP address. We've got Viasat satellite antenna. Live use our bonded cellular technology. We've got track vision on top for direct TV to bring in want to monitor national news, and then we've got a Sea-Watch antenna for anywhere local. So whether we go, whether you're in DC, whether you're in Florida, Jacksonville, anywhere in the country, you can pull up local news to monitor.
So how
local
long
weather.
does it take to set up once you get on location, once this van is on location?
Depending upon system, it could be a couple minutes. Some of the bigger systems take a little bit longer to set up. So anywhere from a few minutes to 20, 30 minutes.
So you can cover breaking news as it's happening.
Absolutely.
Great. Thank you very much. Here's a Because this would be an interesting thing to discuss with them.
And you rent and sell cameras.